How to fix cute or not sending email. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix cute or not sending email. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch your Gmail application in your mobile device. After that, if you're already logged in, now navigate to the top left corner and tap on the three-line icon. From this menu bar here, scroll down a bit and then head towards settings. Now under settings, you have to select the account that you want to fix. For example, I have this account right here. After that, scroll down a bit and search for an option that says sync Gmail that you will find under data usage. If that is checked on, make sure to uncheck this option, then tap on OK. After that, you have to close your Gmail application. Again, restart your device. Once you restart your device completely, now again open up Gmail and navigate to the same settings by following the same steps here. Once you're here, check this option sync Gmail. After that, your problem will be solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.